Looking for how to fix emoji not showing in Samsung keyboard. In this video, I show you how to fix emoji not showing in Samsung keyboard. For solving this problem, go to Galaxy Store, search for Samsung keyboard, tap on Samsung keyboard, update Samsung keyboard if available any update version. Now go to settings, scroll down, then tap on apps. Now tap on three dot, search for show system apps, tap on OK. Now search for Samsung keyboard, tap on Samsung keyboard, scroll down, tap on storage, clear data, delete, tap on force stop, scroll down, tap on permission, allow permission one by one. Now tap on, now you can see that emoji button. Now I hope that this method fix emoji not showing in Samsung keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomal's Guide.